Hello, dear students. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on the time that you watch this video. This is Teacher Miguel, my friends, and today's class is going to be like this, okay? Today we're going to learn the differences among too much, too many, and enough. Before, let's review some countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, I will read these words, okay? Actors, lettuce, helmets, rice, tea, noise, mountains, traffic, students, toothpaste, tables, time. I will repeat again, okay? Actors, lettuce, helmets, rice, tea, noise, mountains, traffic, students, toothpaste, tables, and time. Okay, my friend, for these words, please you tell me if these words are countable or if they are uncountable, okay? What do you think, okay? So I give you some time for you to copy these words on your notebook, okay, or whatever you want to, and tell me if these words are countable or uncountable. One tip, remember, countable nouns have a singular form and a plural form. Uncountable nouns never have a plural form. Look at this, too many, too much, and enough. Look, too many. It is always followed by a countable plural noun. Example, I have eaten too many chocolates. Too many means excess of something, okay? And remember, too many used for countable nouns, countable plural nouns. Too much is always followed by an uncountable noun. Example, he eats too much sugar. Too much, once again, is excess of something, okay? And too much is also for mass nouns or uncountable nouns, okay? Enough, it means sufficient. And it goes before nouns, for example, there isn't enough time. Or after adjectives and others, for example, the laptop isn't cheap enough. Enough, remember, means sufficient, okay? Very good. Rewrite each sentence using too much, too many, or enough. For example, it's very crowded on this beach. There are people. I'm still feeling hungry, and I had my lunch. I didn't eat food. Which ice cream shall we eat? There are flavors to choose from. I did exercise at the gym yesterday. My muscles are really aching. This suitcase is big. I can put all my clothes in it. Joke, this tea is too sweet. There is sugar in it. Don't make noise that you are taking an exam. For example, number one, I will tell you number one, okay? It's very crowded on the beach. There are people. You have to rewrite like this, okay? It's very crowded on this beach. There are too many people. For example, number two, I'm still feeling hungry. I have had my lunch. I didn't eat food. Very easy. I'm still feeling hungry. I have had my lunch. I didn't eat enough food. Okay? Very good, my friends. So copy this information on your notebook list, and please also send me your rewriting sentences on Yammer, okay, or on WhatsApp, okay? Very good, my friends. So thank you very much, and see you in class. Thank you.